On the bus, home from school, Pete sits next to Tom. "Do you want to come over to play?" Tom asks. "I got some cool new race cars for my birthday." "Awesome," says Pete. "We can do our math homework, and then we can race the cars." "I hate math," says Tom. "You don't hate math," Pete tells Tom. "You just don't love it yet." Pete sets up some blocks. "If I had 5 blue blocks and 3 orange blocks together, how many blocks will I have in all?" "This is boring," says Tom. "Can't we play with my race car?" This gives Pete a great idea. "Sure we can," he says. Pete lines up some race cars. If 5 red cars are going to the racetrack and 5 yellow cars are going to the car wash, how many cars are on the road?" he asks. "Easy," says Tom. 10 cars. Like a traffic jam. "Now what if 2 of the cars stayed home?" Pete says. "How many cars would be left?" Says Tom, studying the lineup. 8 cars. "Right," says Pete. "See, I told you that math is awesome." Pete quizzes Tom on one math problem after the next. 4 cars minus 1. 3, says Tom. 8 cars plus 7, says Pete. 15, says Tom. "I can't believe it. I'm doing math, and I'm loving it."